I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't preparing for the intro. Apparently I have no intro. Okay, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Some of you might be wondering, why am I wearing a bathrobe? And the answer to this is because today we are going to try some dresses. Valentine's Day is coming, and whether you're celebrating it or not, doesn't matter, because you might be just looking for a cute, pretty little dress. I'm gonna need your help if I should keep the dress or return it. Let's crack the bag open as we usually do. I tried to pick some different dresses because, you know, everyone's taste is different, and yeah. So anyway, dress number 1, dress number 2, dress number 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's get the party started, shall we? By the way, how do you like my new nails? And actually they feel really, really long. I'm not used to this length. These are press-on nails, but they are so fun. Dress number 1. Wasn't expecting this fabric though. I mean, that's a nice color. Okay, so first dress is called Sexy Draped Color Backless Satin Bodycon Dress. I have it in hot pink. And yeah, it comes in many more different colors. It has a decent amount of positive reviews, and I paid almost 10 euros. I love the color though, but I think it would look better if I had a self-tan. So let's go ahead and put it on, see how she looks. Okay, and yet here we have this hot pink satin dress. I must say, I really love the square neckline and the way it slightly drapes, if that makes any sense. Yeah, and it's a beautiful color. Let me show you the dress in full length. So that's how the dress looks in full length. The front, the sides, and the back. I must say, it's quite tight. It's not really stretchy. Well, maybe just a little bit around the hips. Yeah, I mean, speaking about the quality, it doesn't feel cheap. It's quite all right. Yeah, I mean, the fabric is not see-through. I was expecting it to be see-through, to be honest, but it's not see-through. And I'm wearing black panties, so I don't know if you can see them or not. Can you see them? It's a nice dress. It's just that I wonder if I should have sized up because it's quite tight. But I don't feel like the dress is small. I think it's just that the dress is supposed to be like that, if that makes any sense. But it's not too tight, and you can readjust the straps how you want, so I think that's a huge pro. But yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful hot pink color. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I keep or should I return the dress? Please help me to decide because I cannot make up my mind. In the meantime, moving on to the next dress. That's dress number 2. Oh, it's really ruched. Well, but the color is gorgeous though. This one is called One Shoulder Ruched Bodycon Dress, and I have it in color burgundy. It comes in many more different colors. I paid almost 13 euros. It has a decent amount of positive reviews. And yeah, first impressions are positive so far. It's just sad that the straps aren't adjustable. It's not too short, it's not too long, so yeah, I'm excited to put it on. Let's go ahead and see how she looks. Just before I show you the dress, I noticed one thing. These straps are not the same length, and I just realized that one of them is supposed to go across your neck, chest. Anyway, let me show you, bear with me. As I said, this strap's supposed to go across your chest, just like in the picture. I totally forgot about that. Yeah, so okay, this is the dress, and let me show you the dress in full length. So that's how the dress looks in full length, from the front, from the sides, from the back, and it has a back like this. It's a beautiful red color, like a red wine, or that's it, I don't know what else. It's a bodycon kind of dress, so I don't know, I think it's quite flattering, but it's just that I'm not sure if I'm a huge fan of this. Hold on a sec. Yeah, here we go. So I'm just not sure if I'm a huge fan of this kind of style of the straps going across my chest. It's just, I know it doesn't go with my neck, with my choker right now, so let's not mind that for a second, but I know it's just weird. It's something that I'm not used to. Like, you know, I'm a simple girl. I like simple straps. Yeah, I think the dress looks like in the product picture and it's beautiful. I think it would look even better if I had a self-tan on. But yeah, I think it's worth 13 euros. And as I said, it has a decent amount of rating. Speaking about the quality, I think that it's quite stretchy and nice, to be honest. It's not see-through whatsoever. It's quite stretchy. You can fight if you need when you're on a date. Speaking about the size, it runs through to size. Just go with your usual size, I guess. What do you guys think? Should I keep or should I return the dress? Help me decide, please. Moving on to the next one. Oh, that's right. She's cute. Oh, very short though. Yeah, and that's a nice bow, but it's just sad that it doesn't stay like that. You know what I mean? It's too loose. So this dress is called Women's Open Shoulder Contrast Bow Tie Short Dress, I guess. And I paid almost 11 euros. I have it in black and red. She's quite short, so not a huge fan of very short dresses though. But anyway, without further ado, let me go ahead and put it on. See how it looks. I don't know. Anyway, first things first. That's the dress. It's quite short, but not too short. I thought it's gonna be shorter. That's how she looks from the side, from the back, and from the front. It does have a silhouette. It's made like sandwich, like an hourglass. Oh my gosh. Literally a little black dress. What can I tell you? Really little. Anyway, now moving on to the bow. It's nice. I think it looks even cute with the choker on, to be honest. And it's not so loose anymore. Like I didn't do anything, to be honest. And it has shoulders like this. It's an off-shoulder dress. That's what it is. I mean, taking into consideration that I paid only, well, almost 11 euros, then it's not so bad, to be honest. It does look slightly different from the product picture. I mean, especially the bow. But the question is if I like the dress, because I don't know. I mean, it's a cute dress, to be honest. But you see, that's why I like to do videos like this, because you guys can help me to decide if the dress looks nice on me and should I keep it or should I just return it and get rid of it? Move on with my life, you know? Speaking about the size, I would say it runs true to size. I got scared at first, just a little bit. And it is slightly see-through, but just a little bit. Like teeny tiny little bit. I don't know. Should I keep it? Should I return it? What do you guys think? I really need your input though. Help me decide. I'm gonna move on to the next one. Let's open it up. Okay, so it looks like a curtain, but you never know until you put it on, so we shall see. The quality doesn't look, well, it does look cheap. So this dress is called High Elastic Knitted Off Shoulder 3-dimensional Flower Dress, and I have it in pink. It does come in red, black, yada yada yada, and I have it for how much? Almost 9 euros. It's not an expensive dress. Is it a dress to impress? That's another question, I guess. Without further ado, let me go ahead, put it on and see how it actually looks. Okay, now what do we think of this dress? That's the front, that's the side, the back, another side. Yeah, it's a really girly dress. I'm not sure if you have noticed that already, but that's the reason I put black panties on. I think you can see that they tend to come out and say hi. So the dress is see-through. Let me put it this way. First impressions are, it does look a little bit cheap. Yeah, it's really stretchy. And I'm a huge fan of this shade of pink. I do love this rose and these dangling things. I think it's really cute. Another thing I'm a huge fan of is the sleeves. They are, how do you call them? Belly sleeves? Belly... bing, 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 bing. That's how the fabric looks from a little bit closer. If the dress is see-through, it's a no, usually a no. It's just that I really like this rose, these dangling things, the sleeves, the entire style and design of this dress. I think it's really romantic, girly, cute. It's my cup of tea. But I just hate that it's see-through and the tag is popping out. Size-wise, I think it runs true to size. I keep saying that because it's true. That's random. But how cute is this lotion bottle? It's so cute. I can't handle the cuteness. So, back to action. Sorry. Yeah, and the dress does look like the product picture, I must say. I know that you guys can help me if I should keep or return the dress. What do you think? Let me know. let me know. It is a cute dress though. It's quite romantic, so it's time to move to another dress. This one looks quite alike like the other ones that I had in my other haul. Okay, so this dress is called High Elastic Knitted Off Shoulder 3-Dimensional Flower Dress, and I have it in red. I paid almost €9 and it has quite a decent amount of positive reviews. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. You never know until you put it on, really. Let me just go ahead and put it on. See how it's going to look on me. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm literally so silly. I just realized that's the same dress, just a different color. How? Justina, how? How come I thought that that's a different dress? That's even literally the same model. Yeah, I guess I'm not gonna talk much about the quality as you already know. What do we think? Do we like this color more or the pink one? Yeah, same dangling things, same rose applique, same silhouette, style, sleeves. It's just a different color. It might be just me, but it feels like the red one doesn't look and feel that cheap, like the pink one. We do know that that's the same fabric, but the pink one, it feels and looks more see-through than the red one. Or is that just me? Where's the tag actually? Here we go. We have the tag, and does it show up or not? A little bit, but not as badly as the other one, right? Now then we have the red one on. Should I keep the pink one or the red one? Yeah, I really don't know. What do you guys think about the color? If none of them, it's fine, but just say it. Just say it. We are all honest here. If you didn't like any of these dresses, it's fine. It feels like this one doesn't look as cheap as the pink one. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. But what I do know is that I want to know if I should keep or return the dress. Moving on to the last dress. What do we have in this bag? Well, I assume it's a dress. Ooh, she's very short. But yeah, it has these lace sleeves, elastic back, which is stretchy. I mean, it's cute. It's just that I thought it's gonna be a little bit longer though. So anyway, so she's called Heart-Shaped Black Background Tulle Skirt V-Neck Lace Up Plicated Valentine's Day Mini Dress, whatever. Yeah, I paid almost €12. It does look nice in the product picture, but is it expectations versus reality or what? Because I thought it's gonna be longer. Anyway, let me go ahead, put it on, and I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed it's gonna look okay. This dress sucks. Anyway, that's the dress, everyone. Turn around and show you how she looks. Yes. Everything about this dress is just wrong, man. First things first. What the heck is this? There's a gap. It's just... You know what I mean? Oh my gosh. Yeah, first of all, the dress is so short, I don't even need to readjust the camera. Next thing I don't like, I don't even know how to explain that. It's a really weird gap in here. And I did get myself a size, the correct size. Because if I would have size down, then there's another problem. It's too small, it's too short. I don't know, such a disappointment. The only thing I like about the dress is the sleeves, because they are lace sleeves. And like the design, the style. But the way it's made, it's horrible. I'm sorry, it's just a big no-no. I don't know what else to say. I just want to take it off, really. Would this be something you guys would wear? Would you keep it? Would you return it? Because I know I'm asking you, but I know I will return it. It's a big no-no. I don't know. But let me know what you think. It is what it is. Yeah, and this dress doesn't look like the product picture at all. Anyway, that's it. I guess this is it. Let me know which dress should I keep or return, because I definitely don't need all of them. And I don't even think that some of them are worth keeping, to be honest. So in case you spotted something you like, everything will be linked down below in the description. And yeah, let me know what you would like to see more of. That would really help me. I hope to see you next time. Bye!